Hello everyone and welcome to another live from the workshop. Now, this was originally going to be something a bit different, but I'll go explain what's happened here. If you're coming from the forum, some of you might know that TV21 recently posted and recently started on a custom of Hybrid Dalek. Now, this isn't the hybrid that's been mentioned in the television series so far. It is in fact a hybrid of the three visual mediums of the Dalek. So essentially it is a Dalek that contains elements of the new series Bronze, the classic series and the movie. Now I really like the look of this idea, so I thought I'd give it a go myself. So my figure, to break it down, is new series is Dome, and this is the lower half of the Ironside Dalek. Movie is going to be the base. It has new series appendages and then a classic series midsection. Now originally I was going to do a Death to the Daleks livery, which is what I started doing here. As you can see, you know, it was going to end up looking like just bringing the Death to the Dalek. It was going to end up essentially looking like this on a larger base, but I wasn't particularly happy with it. I don't know why, it just didn't look right to me. It was too bland, there wasn't enough colour in it. So I decided that I would do a Masterplan Dalek instead. Now, this is the Masterplan Dalek, but some people will say, hang on, that Dalek wasn't in the Masterplan. And you are correct, it wasn't in the television series of the Masterplan. Where this Dalek is from this is from the novelisation, the cover of the novelisation of the Dalek's Masterplan. And some people seem to think that it was a misinterpretation of the colour scheme of the Supreme in that episode, because behind the scenes colour photos have shown that this Dalek didn't appear in the episodes. But from what people have been able to gather, it seems that somebody misinterpreted the colour scheme of the Supreme, put it on the Target novel in this livery. Now, personally, I really love this livery. I think it's really good, it's very unique. So I've decided this is the livery that I'm going to use for my Hybrid Dalek. So essentially what we'll have is, as you see there, you know, we'll have Red Series base, so new series Dome and lower half, and then as you can see, what I was originally planning to do, and I still plan to do with this one, is I'm going for the sort of half coloured large base seen on the red movie Dalek from the second movie. So first things first, obviously some of these bits have been painted up already from the previous ones, so I don't have to worry about doing those, so I'll put them off to one side. But first of all, I need to repaint the body and the body, the skirt section, the head, and I need to mask this off and start painting that, so I'm going to get onto that now. And here is my finished Hybrid Dalek. So I've made a few changes to this. I've changed the neck rings from a classic one to the Paradigm, because there wasn't anything of the Paradigm in this. So unfortunately the head is still a little bit loose, but that's just where it fixes, where it sits on. So there wasn't anything of the Paradigm in these, so I decided to add the Paradigm eye stalk. Now, I know some people are going to say it's a bit, you know, it looks a bit incongruous, a bit too big. But it's really hard to capture on camera, unfortunately. But when you've got it in hand, it actually doesn't look all of that out of place. It actually doesn't look too big for the model. I mean, if you compare it to, you know, some of the new series eye stalk, you know, then it is substantially larger. But when you actually see it on the model, it really doesn't look that different. Maybe it's just because, I don't know, maybe it's just because it's a fairly larger Dalek in general because of the larger base and also the larger neck rings. So yeah, I'm really pleased with the way it's come out. The lights, for people wondering, those are actually some spare spheres I had from other models, and I've just made the eye socket slightly bigger and then just fixed them into place from the inside, and they've just fitted in really well. But I'm really pleased with this. I'm really pleased with how it's come out. I've got a bit of everything in there. You know, we've got the movie style of the large series base with, you know, the classic livery and midsection with a bit of the Paradigm and the new series styles thrown in there with the rings and the eye stalk cover. So yeah, as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, favourite, subscribe, share. It really helps me out a lot. And I shall see you all with another video very soon.